We're gonna do it again.
Yo, Ouija, what's up? How have you been doing?
Look, Malio, I'm not in the mood for your shenanigans again, so get out of my room. I'm busy doing something.
What are you busy with? You haven't cleaned this room in like 6 months. I know you ain't doing that. What are you doing?
Look, Malio, this is important. The new Shadow Freddy figures got restocked today. I wasn't able to get them last time, but hopefully I'll be able to get them right now.
I need to finish my collection that I still haven't finished. I don't even have goddamn Chica and Foxy. I have these Super Mario toys. I don't even have the Mario toy or Luigi toy, and I can't even get them.
This is stupid. I feel retarded playing with these fucking toys.
You know what? You could just do that. I don't care. I was just gonna tell you I was going to a vacation to this place called Einstein's Iceland. Yeah, I'll be back in like March. See you later, dude.
Okay. They're back! Okay, just refresh the website and
It's not even been a minute and they're already sold out. Who the hell would buy them all? That motherfucker.
Dude, I can't believe it either. They just sold out immediately.
Stand ready for my arrival, worm.
Hey, wait a minute. You're the guy from Hot Topic. You made me miss out on all those Shadow Freddies. I had to go to another store.
You have 13 seconds to explain where all those Shadow Freddies went, or else your name will become a campfire story.
I don't know. I'm just as confused as you two.
God damn it, it wasn't you.
Dude, you didn't need to do that. I'm a changed man. Haven't you seen my community tab?
Well, I guess I have to do something else. And you're joining me too.
Well, what can we do?
Jazwares is unfair. Jude Zaberski is in there, standing in the concession, plotting his oppression.
Hey, I'm from the Jazwares company, and they told me if you don't leave the property, they're gonna kick you out and call the cops.
Look, buddy, maybe if you had Shadow Freddy's, then I wouldn't be doing this, but no, you guys decide to be like this.
Fuck you.
Look, I don't care about this Shadow Freddy nonsense. The police are already on their way.
Yo, Ouija, look. It's someone with the Shadow Freddy.
Holy crap, Lois, you're right. Let's go get him.
You can't hide from the law.
Dang, I'm not gonna meet my quota today.
Stop right there. Wait, Scott, the cashier manager.
Please don't rob me. I'm just doing my job.
What type of job is this?
Look, I got fired from Hot Topic and I needed the money. This guy hired me to sell the Shadow Freddy toys.
That's nice. Can you do me a solid and tell me where this guy is? I need to beat him up and stuff.
I can't tell you, dude. I have to keep this job.
I'll give you 2 Chuck E. Cheese tokens.
Deal.
Alright, asshole. What have you been...
Little Jimmy.
Yes. Luigi and Puggo. It was me all along.
But why, Jimmy?
What do you mean? You literally took my Shadow Freddy plushies. This is why I'm doing this.
Oh, yeah, I did.
No matter. I'm selling all of these Shadow Freddy figures, and there's nothing you can do to stop me. Ow! 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 Stop it!
We did it, Puggo. Now how are we gonna split these all evenly? Oh, my head. Where did all the Shadow Freddies go? What's this note say? Fuck you, gay-ass femboy! And then the N-word! Love Puggo! God damn it. Curse you, Puggo!
Stupid Ouija. Now I can resell all these.
Woo! I thought I wasn't gonna get this video out on time, but thank God. This might be something consistent. Every time something related to Shadow Freddy happens, I'm making a video about it 100%. Shout out to all these people who gave out their lines. They're super cool. The new guys, MLG, who I got to play Springtrap, was pretty cool. I really like this video he made about Springtrap going to the FNAF movie. He's cool. He's a friend of mine. I got to play Fortnite with the Chef Puppet because of him. Ratty Cheese, who I got to talk to after the Puggo problem, and he's a cool guy. I got him to play Little Jimmy at the end, so that was fun. Once again, I got the returning cast, WagnerTube as Scott Cawthon. He made this entire, like, almost 2-hour long movie, and this is crazy, dog. go watch it. I need to watch it too. Just give me some time. He's also doing a FNAF plush tuber award or something, and you could vote there right now. So, you know, if you want to vote the Puggo problem, or Malio in FNAF 2, or Toy Freddy tries the Popeyes meal, you can vote for me, please. Please, either way, I'm gonna slid Wagner 20 to put me in there. And X Ventress, who has basically been my hype man this entire video, and also the Puggo problem. He's a genuinely cool guy. He makes cool, awesome custom plushies, and I really couldn't thank him enough. He's also making his own video later today, which hasn't came out today, well, while I'm recording this. So, you know, when it comes out, I'll put the link in the description. So, yeah, it was cool making this video, and hopefully by the next time I do this, I have the Shadow Freddy figure. Let's go.
Did sounds like Diddy. It's not part of the